Hello, my dear friends. I would like to present my new drawing and a fairy tale to you. Listen to an interesting tale and draw along with me. I hope you all have a pleasant time. Once upon a time, there was a playful little dog named Pluto. Pluto was a very special dog with a shiny coat and a waggy tail. He lived with his loving family in a cozy little house. Every morning, Pluto would wake up full of energy and happiness. He loved to run around the garden, chasing butterflies and sniffing flowers. His favorite game was playing fetch with his bright red ball. Pluto would run as fast as lightning to catch the ball, and then he would bring it back to his family, barking cheerfully. Pluto also had many furry friends in the neighborhood. There was a fluffy rabbit named Cotton, a chirpy bird named Wheat, and a clever cat named Whiskers. They would all meet at the park every afternoon to play together. Cotton would hop around while Tweet would sing beautiful melodies. Whiskers would jump from tree to tree, showing off his acrobatic skills. And Pluto would run with his friends, wagging his tail and making everyone laugh. One day, while Pluto was exploring the park, he found a little lost duckling all by itself. The duckling was scared and didn't know how to find its family. Pluto felt sorry for him and decided to help. He gently nudged the duckling with his nose and led him back to the pond where his family was waiting. The duckling was overjoyed, and his family was very grateful to Pluto. After that, Pluto became a bit of a hero in the animal world. He was known for his kindness and helpfulness. All the animals loved him and looked up to him. They would gather around him, and Pluto would tell them stories about his many adventures. Pluto's family was so proud of him. They would cuddle with him every night, telling him how much they loved him. Pluto would wag his tail happily, feeling warm and safe. And so, Pluto the dog continued to bring joy and happiness to everyone he met. Whether it was playing with his family, frolicking with friends, or helping others in need, Pluto always had a waggy tail and a loving heart. He was truly a dog to be admired and loved. If you enjoyed the fairy tale and my drawing, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to see new characters and hear about the adventures they go through.